welcome to the third episode of my devlog series. This week there is a large number of things I want to focus on, but first, I want to thank everyone who subscribed, watched, or liked, and comment on my video. That means a lot for me, guys. Love you guys. Okay, back to the video. I want to cover these 6 things in this video, so let's get to work. The first thing I want to get out of the way is that I want to complete the beta version of the game, and I also want to release it for Android, so more people have to suffer from this. First, I made the accelerometer input system like thing, and I don't know what I'm saying. That took me 3 days to make, but somehow I got it working. Then I add reflection in the game to cover my bad art style, as you can see. Then I remade the skybox because why not, and replaced the art style of the game. That's how my 2 days passes. Now I created a backward movement script that activates when you click the cube, because it is too hard to control it. That's how this day passes. And the last day I created a developer account on Google Console, and built the beta version. And if you want to download my game, then the link is in the description, go download it. When this video came out, the download page has also been updated, so go download it. I say download it. That's really going to be it for this week's episode, so I want to thank everyone who subscribed, watched, or liked, and the link to download my game's beta version for Android, Linux, Mac, Windows is in the description. But yeah, that's going to be it for this week's episode. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I will hopefully catch you guys the next week.